Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp account in 2024. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to just simply install the application from App Store or Play Store. So after installing the WhatsApp application, you guys have to just simply open it. I have already installed a WhatsApp application and created my first account on WhatsApp. So I have installed WhatsApp Business. The WhatsApp Business is also similar to WhatsApp, so our method will be remain same in order to create a WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Original. So you guys have to just simply open it. So after opening it, you guys have to just simply click on agree and continue. So after clicking on agree and continue, here you guys have to just simply click on allow permission to WhatsApp. Here you guys have to just simply add a number of which you want to make a WhatsApp. So after typing the number, you guys have to just simply click on next to proceed. So after tapping on next, WhatsApp will ask you for confirmation. You guys have to just simply click on yes if your number is correct. If your number is wrong, you guys can edit them by typing on edit button. WhatsApp will send OTP code to your number on which you want to create WhatsApp. So after adding the OTP code, WhatsApp will verify it. And after completely verification, WhatsApp will proceed to it. So you guys have to just simply click on continue and click on allow to access your contacts, your WhatsApp, and click on allow to access all photos. And here you guys can also add a profile picture by tapping on photo section, and here you guys can also add your username on WhatsApp by tapping on it, and you guys can just click on next. So after clicking on next, WhatsApp will take some time, and in this way your WhatsApp account will be created. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would really like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.